Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to book Qantas flights with points. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Qantas.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Qantas if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top side of the screen, we have the travel guides, flight deals, plan, book, fly, frequent flyer. And in the middle of the screen, we have, of course, the option where you can go and book a trip. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and book Qantas flights with points. So you need to go and enter your origin, destination, and travel details. So you need to put where you're going through from to where, of course. So you can go and choose where you would like to, of course, then go. Type in a city, of course, and then you can go and after that, you can go and click on when. And for instance, we have this date. So when you want to depart, when you want to return, click continue, then go and search for flights. Then when you search for flights, you need to go and search for flights with the classic flight rewards. Then select your desired flight that shows a red ribbon indicating classic flight rewards availability. So it has to have, the flight has to have a red ribbon. So as you can see here, classic. Then follow the prompts to complete your booking using Qantas points, and that's basically how you can do it. You just need to go and put it with Qantas points. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That'll be everything. Bye guys.